False Ceiling Design 2024. Welcome to the future of interior design. In this video, we dive into the mesmerizing world of false ceiling designs, bringing you the hottest trends set to define 2024. From cutting-edge lighting concepts to innovative materials, get ready to be inspired and elevate your living spaces to new heights. Trend highlights: Futuristic Illumination. Discover how advanced lighting technology is transforming false ceilings into works of art. Explore the magic of LED strips, smart fixtures, and customizable color schemes that add a touch of modern elegance to any room. Sustainable luxury. Witness the rise of eco-friendly design with sustainable materials taking center stage. Explore creative ways to integrate recycled and upcycled elements, creating ceilings that are not only beautiful but also environmentally conscious. Minimalist marvels. Embrace the beauty of simplicity with minimalist false ceiling designs. Learn how clean lines, subtle textures, and neutral tones can create a sophisticated and calming atmosphere in your home or office. Nature's embrace. Bring the outdoors in with nature-inspired false ceiling motifs. Explore the use of organic patterns, botanical prints, and natural materials to create a serene and refreshing ambience that reconnects you with the beauty of the natural world. DIY tips and installation guides. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or just getting started, we've got you covered. Our experts share practical tips and step-by-step guides to help you implement these stunning false ceiling designs in your own space. Resources and references. For more details on the featured designs, materials, and where to find them, check out the links in the video description below. Connect with us, join our design community by subscribing for regular updates on the latest trends, tips, and tricks in the world of interior design. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the next big thing. Transform your space with style. Let's redefine interiors together in 2024.